Here's number 15. So variables in a couple of the answer choices, C and D. That lets you know you can use this approach. So picking numbers. I'm going to pick one number. All I got to pick is X. And I'll pick X is 10 because I seem to like that number. 5 times X, which is 10, minus 2. Well, that's just, I guess I'll write it all out here for you. And then X is 10 plus 3. Well, that's 50 minus 2, which is 48 over 13. That's a gross number. I'm just going to leave it just the way it is. What is not equal to 48 over 13? Well, first of all, 13 is like a terrible number. It's not like 48 is not going to go evenly into 13, right? Because it would be, it definitely doesn't. So A is out because that's just going to say 3 over 3. That's out. B says, 5 minus 2/3. Okay, well, maybe we don't totally know what 48 over 13 is, but we can estimate. Like, look, 13 times 3 is 39. And 13 times 4 is equal to 52. So this is in between 3 and 4. Just like, 3 point something. That's all you need to know. You don't need to know exactly what it is. 3 point something, that's what that is. 3 and a little bit. Well, 5 minus 2/3 is not going to get us to 3 point something. It's going to be 4 point something, or 4 and a little bit. Okay, same with answer choice C. We have 5 minus 2, and then X plus 3, we already did that math. That was 13. Again, that's 4 and something else, right? So that's not right. Answer choice D is going to look great. 5 minus 17/13. Well, 17/13, this is more than 1. So if you subtract more than 1 from 5, you're going to be left with 3 and a little bit, right? If you subtract 1 from 5, you get 4. If you subtract more than 1 from 5, you're going to get less than 4, but more than 3. That's exactly what we want. That's the right answer. Of course, you could do a common denominator here. You could say 5 times 13 is equal to what? You could say, to be clear what I'm saying, 13 thirteenths times 5 would be equal to 65 thirteenths. And then you could subtract that from 17 thirteenths, and you would get 48 thirteenths. Like, you could do that. But I'm telling you that you can estimate just by knowing in what range is that answer, right? So, okay, that's a really great example. Notice near the end of the test, this happens over and over and over again. Near the end of the test, you can pick numbers.